Today we are checking out a powerful and super useful gadget for every home and office setup. The EMBOX extension board with 6 universal sockets, individual switches, safety shutter protection, spike guard support, LED indicator and a long 2-meter heavy duty cable. If you use multiple devices together like tablet, fans, charger, printer, laptop or other electronics, then this extension board can seriously make your setup cleaner, safer and more organized. In this video, we will do complete unboxing, first look, setup and real life testing with multiple devices connected at the same time. So watch till the end. On the front side packaging, the brand name EMBOX is clearly mentioned. Other side, the available variants are written. Let's check it from one e-commerce site. This EMBOX extension board is available in different variants like 2 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter. Number of socket and number of switches are running from 3 to 6. Few variant contains USB port also. So choose your variant according to your need. Highlighted features are universal socket, widely spaced outlet, smart switch, multiple protection and multi-purpose applications. Multiple protection contains short circuit, over voltage, over current, overload power switch protection. The item is fire resistant and the wire contains 3-core copper wire. Let's look at the specifications of the extension board here. Inside the package, we get the EMBOX extension board safely packed. And here is the first look. Honestly, the design looks clean and premium. The body quality feels solid and sturdy in hand. The material of the extension cord is premium and it is long. Let's look at the cable carefully. This board contains child safety door protection that prevents kids from electrical shock. At the back side, the model number, the maximum voltage, maximum current and the power are written. This extension board withstands the maximum load, that is 2500 watt. Don't exceed the limit. On the top side, we get 6 universal sockets, which means different types of plugs can easily fit here. Another very useful feature is the individual switch system. Every socket gets its own dedicated switch, so you can control each connected device separately without unplugging anything. Here we can also see the LED power indicator switch, which shows whether the particular connected device is powered on or off. We also get safety shutter inside the sockets for extra protection, especially useful in homes with children. This board is made up of high-strength, fire-resistant ABS and PC cell, making it fireproof up to 750 degrees centigrade. And finally, the cable quality also feels thick and durable. Since it comes with a 2-meter cord, it gives much better flexibility for placing devices comfortably. Now let's do the real-life usage test and connect multiple devices together. First, I am connecting the Atombug FPCO BLDC pedestal fan. Next, I am connecting 45 watt Lenovo Idea Tab Pro charger. Now connecting 33 watt Redmi Note 9 Pro Max charger. After that, I am connecting one HP laser printer. Finally, I am connecting my Infinix laptop. The individual switches makes the operation extremely convenient because we can independently control every connected device. The overall setup now looks much cleaner and more organized compared to the plugging everything separately into wall sockets. The LED indicator on switch is showing the active connection. That's actually very convenient for daily use and also helps save electricity. Total 5 devices I have connected through this EMBOX extension board. So overall, this extension board looks like a very practical and useful product for daily use. You are getting 6 universal sockets, individual switches, spike guard protection, safety shutter, LED indicator and a long 2-meter cable with 2500 watt support. If you regularly use multiple electronic devices together, then this extension board can definitely help you keep your setup safer, cleaner and more convenient. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Digital Sprout channel for more useful gadget reviews and tech videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.